I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. I want to talk about heel shuffles or shuffle heel, either way. One of the common problems I see with these is bouncing. So students will do something like this, and you can hear how it kind of messes up the rhythm and makes it really choppy. What they're doing is allowing their whole body to go up and down to make the heel sound. What I recommend instead is just pushing the knee forward. So I can stand here without my head moving and push my knee forward, which automatically lifts my heel, right? And you don't have to think knee forward. You can just think, okay, there's a metal spike above my head and I don't want to raise up into it. Whatever it takes to keep yourself relatively level so that you have a more smooth rhythm versus the bouncy, choppy. And you can do the bounce. Some people said, well, if you're going up and down, that means you have a straight leg. Not necessarily. I can keep this knee bent and I can still bounce up and down. We want to avoid that, keep relatively level. And I say relatively because if I'm doing it casually, I'm going to have a little bounce naturally, right? But when students take it too far, that's when you get that and the problems happen, right? So I'm just trying to keep my head relatively level, and one of the methods is pushing the knee forward. The other one is imagining a metal spike above your head that you don't want to hit. Hopefully that helps you with the heel shuffle technique and keeping that rhythm smooth.